Hello, Uggies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. Today we're going to take a look at what's inside this box. This is from KF7P Metalworks and is an entrance panel. I first started talking to Chris when I had some questions about Morgan Lightning surge protectors, which is a company he owns also. And we got to talking about these panels and so on. And so he made this up for me. This is something he has sent me that he made up for me. It doesn't come out of channel funds. But we're going to take a look inside and see what we've got. I've lost my little knife that I used to use for this. And I think I'm just going to have to go get another one. Okay. Now he's in Salt Lake City. There is obviously he's done a lot of packaging of these. These are entrance panels that are very nice if you want to associate, you know, it's full of lightning surge protectors and so on. And it is strong as can be. All right. You can choose the color. I chose the color that our house is trimmed in. Okay. And now we open it up to see what is inside. This is all steel. You can choose aluminum if you want. It's got a gasket around it. A sticker in here in case 10 years from now you've got questions. More paper and Twizzlers, okay, Skittles, Sour Patch, Sour Punch, and grip lock ties. Okay, his card. Here are instructions. Now the way this works, there's another candy there. There is a hole in the back. Now this side is attached to the house. Okay, and then you put in your cables which come from under here. And these are all Morgan lightning arresters. There are different kinds. There's some that are VHF, some that are HF, some that are DC, some that do not pass DC, and they're all very sturdily attached to that. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of these, and so there are 10 holes here for cables to come through, and then right here you can attach your ground strap, put that out through this one here, down to your ground connector. You can also insert up here the MOVs to protect your cable type stuff, like control cables for rotors and so on. This is solid copper here. It's quite thick. Okay, so this acts as a ground plane attached to a ground rod right below it. And then the cables come up through here from the yard, and we have grommets for them here, okay, to keep the mice out. And then right here is a 3-inch hole, which we will attach to a plumbing fixture, 3-inch, to go through the wall. So this way, with this thing closed like this, and all of these covered with the grommets, and you close this up, then mice and things like that can't get inside, and you've got all your cables in a very nice spot. This is very handy because the way I have mine set up right now, they are, there's a ground rod, and clustered around it are a bunch of alpha delta lightning suppressors, and they they kind of are all grassy, overrun by grass. This will be up a couple feet on the side of the house and will allow us to put those in. Now there will be more videos as I do the planning for this and put the thing in. I want to say a special thank you to Chris at K7, where's his card here? KF7P Metalworks, and the URL for that is www.kf7p, okay, and he makes a lot more things than just these grounding boxes. He makes all kinds of metal attachments for towers and things like that. It really is a very interesting collection of products. So there you have it. If you would like to learn more about this, go to that URL. There will be more videos on this forthcoming. Thank you all very much for watching, and until we next meet, 73.